Raju wanted to book a hall for his daughter's birthday party, so he searched on the internet for the available options and entered details for enquiry. After a few moments, Raju got a call.
Hello, I am speaking from XYZ Hotel. You inquired about bookings on our website. How can I help you?
I wanted to ask about the banquet hall at your hotel. Is it available on rent?
Yes, rental options are available for the banquet hall.
What are the charges? I want to book it for my daughter's birthday.
We charge on an hourly basis. It is 2500 rupees per hour.
Is it available on one fine date, from 8 pm to 10 pm?
Yes, sir, it is available. As a pre-booking process, you will have to send me 1000 rupees to generate a token number.
I will come to your office for the payment.
There is a 20% discount if you pay online through your credit debit card.
Okay, I will pay online.
Tell me your 16-digit card number, CVV and expiry date on the card.
The 16-digit number is 5869 and 456. CVV is 256 and expiry date is 11/2024.
You will get a registration OTP code. Please share that.
The OTP is 4256.
Your booking is confirmed, sir. You will shortly receive an SMS.
Okay, thank you.
After some time, Raju received SMS alerts on his phone. 50,000 rupees was debited from your account. Raju immediately called the person, but he did not answer. Raju realized the person was a fraudster, and he should not have shared any card details with him.
Don't share your credit and debit card details and OTP with anyone. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.